I created this intro video and the logo reveal animation using the Wondershare Filmora 13 video editor, and it took me just a few seconds, without any intense editing. Welcome to Tube Media Tutorials, and in today's tutorial, we will look into the new Influence Kit. It consists of two amazing tools: popular, eye-catching intros and brand transmission logo reveal. Let's first try to create an intro video. Before you start your videos, introduce the theme of the video in a custom-made short intro, using any of these preset themes. This is perfect for your gaming channel. These intros come with proper sound effects. Click to preview before you customize them. A simple text-based intro. This intro can be used for awards ceremony videos. A professional-looking intro for business-related videos. These are graphical intros, can be used in tech-related videos. Once you finalize an intro, click Start Creating. Here, edit the text to your own topic. Also, move or resize the text if required. Let us try another example. So, in this intro, first change the texts. Scroll the video to check the location and timing of the texts. Great! Now you can change the background videos used in the template to your own. Just like that. Here is another example. Change the text, how to cook oil-free. Then, change the background to your cooking video clips. You can also look for stock footage for the video clips on the topic. Lastly, this is the template I used for today's intro. Simply change the text, delete the extra ones and change the video to my own. It's very simple, can be done in a few seconds. So, create individualized intros for all of your YouTube videos and impress your audience. The next feature is the logo reveal animation templates. You get 9 different animations for your logos. Click to see the previews. After choosing the template, import your own logo. It will work best with transparent logos, so make sure the logos are in PNG format. Then, change the logo text to your channel name, or any tagline you want to use. Let's have a quick glance at all the examples here. The logo reveal will look best with sound effects. Filmora 13 is loaded with numerous sound effects to choose from. This one sounds fine. For the text reveal, we will use this sound. So here is the result. Thanks for watching Tube Media Tutorials. Happy creating!